Hi guys! This is Abby. So for today, I'm gonna be sharing with you our unboxing of this new phone from Huawei. So for today, I'm gonna be unboxing this phone from Huawei. This is Huawei Nova 7 5G. So this is the new Huawei, guys. So as you can see here, mas makapal yung box niya compared dun sa mga iPhone boxes. So let's open this. So may another box dun sa loob. And then, ang first na makikita natin is yung panundot ng SIM card. So, pag mag-insert tayo ng SIM cards or mag-change. So, another thing is, dito sa loob ng box, meron tayo ng free jelly case. So, here, free jelly case. So, nandito na rin sa loob yung warranty card. So, here's the warranty card, guys. Yan. So, baliktad yung kanina. So, here's our warranty card. So, medyo manipis, guys, yung jelly case natin. Clear lang siya, pero maganda siyang gamitin dahil maganda yung bagong design ni Huawei sa Nova 7. Which is, maganda yung mga colors niya. Yung nakuha natin is space silver, which is talagang maganda yung... Talagang maganda. So, this is the phone from Huawei. So guys, sobrang ganda niya. So, ngayon ko pa lang talaga siya tatanggalin yung parang cover niya sa likod, yung tape niya. So, this one is space silver. Okay? So, kita mo naman yung camera here. So, vertical siya, unlike ng mga ibang new phones na pa-box. So, here, tanggalin na natin. So, guys, tatanggalin na natin yung cover. Oh my! See? Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng pagka-space silver niya. So, makikita mo talaga parang may prism. So, parang siyang galaxy. Tapos, kung makikita mo, kitang-kita yung phone, yung camera. Yung camera natin. So, halos pwede ka na magsalamin with this. Yung cover niya. So, this is space silver. So, almost the same siya ng design with Huawei Nova 7 SE. So, another choice ko din siya. Pero, ang Nova 7 SE is may pagka-pinkish eh. This one is more on silver talaga. And that one, ang nakikita ko lang, mas parang mirror-like ang design ni Nova 7 5G. Okay? Tanggalin na rin natin, guys, yung seal or yung cover natin. Transparent cover natin sa front. So, see, guys. So, yan ang Nova 7 5G natin. And here, cutie! So, guys, design pa lang. Ang ganda na. So, with this design, here guys, para na talaga siyang flagship phone ng Huawei. And then, especially yung specifications niya, halos flagship na din and is very affordable, very good price na siya dahil ang ganda ng specifications niya. Bakit? Napakaganda ng camera. Alam naman nating lahat na ang Huawei, kilala siya bilang sa magandang camera niya and sa mga napuproduce niya magagandang shots and images. So, makikita natin, ang screen natin is already OLED. So, para siyang AMOLED in some other phones na may magaganda na rin specifications and mga flagships. But here in Huawei, they call this as OLED. So, maganda siya. So, pag OLED siya, pwede na yung fingerprint. So, in here, pwede na natin gamitin yung fingerprint. So, medyo mababa lang yung fingerprint, but it's okay. Kasi sa iPhone 6 Plus din naman, sanay din ako na yung fingerprint, medyo mababa talaga. So, hindi ko pa na-try mga ibang phones na medyo may mataas. I'm not used to siguro yung matataas. Pero for me, wala namang inconvenience kung medyo mababa siya. Kasi nasanay na rin ako sa iPhone 6 Plus na mababa din talaga yung fingerprint niya. So, what's also in the box, included na din yung cable niya for the charger. And then, earphones. So, we have the earphones na. Included na rin sa box. So, open natin siya. So, in here, so, this one is jack type pa siya. Pero, makikita natin naman sa phone natin. So, ginamit ko na yung jelly case. Nakita natin sa phone natin is wala siyang saksakan for the jack. But, we have here, included na sa box natin, yung jack adapter. So, in here, so hindi mo na kailangan bumili pa sa mga shops. Kasi included na siya sa box. Diba? So, hindi ka na bibilin, wala nang additional charges pa. You can use immediately yung earphone natin dito sa Huawei Nova 7 5G. And also, kasama na rin sa box yung charger niya. So, this charger is 40 watts na. They call this as Huawei Supercharge, meaning mabilis na, fast charging na tayo. So, it can take like 30 minutes to an hour. So, maganda na yung charging natin. It can be full na in just 1 hour. When it comes to the dimensions of Huawei Nova 7 5G, it has a width of 74.33 millimeters, while the height is at 160.64 millimeters and the depth it's at 7.96 millimeters. Ang weight naman ni Huawei Nova 7 5G is at 180 grams including the battery. Power your life day in and day out with a battery of 4,000 mAh provides for long-lasting use, freeing you from the burden of ultimately battery drain. The 40 watts Huawei Supercharge, certified for safety use by TÜV Rheinland, can restore the power to 75% in just half an hour. You can also keep more of what you love with this 8GB of RAM, easily handles all of your multitasking needs. Equipped na rin si Nova 7 5G to have a 256GB of room or internal storage. For the camera naman ni Nova 7 5G, it has 64 megapixel of AI quad camera and in-screen of 32 megapixel front camera. So, snap wherever and however you like. Capture stunning images with the all-power 64 megapixel quad camera, which is reinforced by the Kirin 985 next-level AI and image processing. Also, there is 3 additional lenses si Huawei Nova 7 5G. It has 8 megapixel of telephoto with 3 times optical, another 8 megapixel ultra-wide, and 2 megapixel macro lens. Additional info guys, Nova 7 5G has TÜV Rheinland certified eye comfort feature. It makes the fun time last longer. So guys, I hope you liked our unboxing video. Sana nakatulong sa inyo yung reviews natin. Well, anyway, I'll be using this Huawei Nova 7 5G for like 1 week or 2 weeks pa. And then I'll be giving you more reviews about dun sa mga specifications niya, kung gaano siya kaganda, may pros and cons. I-share ko yan sa inyo. Okay guys, if you baliktad. Okay guys, if you like our video for today, please click the bell button and then subscribe to our channel. Thank you!